Welcome back to another video, guys. And in today's video, I got NBA packs, so we're gonna open up some packs with my dad.
All right, let's do it.
How do you open it? Usually, you just push it from the top.
Here we go. Oh man,
But
first one's a good one. Okay, there you go. Uh-oh. Careful with them. No.
Russell Westbrook,
Yeah, sure.
and Trey Young,
Dang.
That a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Isaiah Okoro,
Coro. Oh, goodness.
This one is Cassius Winston. I got Giannis Antetokounmpo.
All right.
It's a blue jersey too. James Harden,
Dang.
Dini. Can you read that?
I don't know what it is. Then he had Avdija.
Vernon Carey Jr. I can't really pronounce his name.
Bogdan Bogdanovic.
Yeah, I can't really say it. Bam Adebayo. And this guy. That's a good one right here. I got Damian Lillard.
Oh, nice.
Jonathan Isaiah. Eric Gordon. Nick Richards. Wait a minute. These are some of the players I've already got, but they're shinier.
Oh, so those are the Tiger Prisms. Ultra rare Tiger Prisms.
So I got same guy, Vernon Carey Jr. And then I got Bogdan Bogdanovic again.
Yeah.
The glittery one. Got Bam Adebayo. And I got CJ Albury. Oh, I got a rookie card. Tyrese Maxey for 76ers. A
Cool.
rookie card.
Nice.
And the second one. Huh?
Careful with this stuff.
Timberwolves. Hopefully it's Anthony Edwards.
Right.
Oh, that's a rookie card, though, right?
Oh, we'll see.
Davis Bertans. Emmanuel Quickly. Oh, Kristaps Porzingis. Zion Williamson. I'm starting to get good ones. Chris Paul.
Nice.
Obi Toppin. This one's alright. Kyle Lowry.
Nice.
This guy, don't know how to say his name. Fagnan.
Campazzo, I don't know. Campazzo the last name.
Yeah. RJ Barrett. I have a bench player for the Warriors, Nico Mannion. This is going to be someone at the game.
Mm-hmm.
Aaron Bass. Jaden McDaniels. This one's good. Anthony Davis.
Oh, yeah.
Zeke Nanaji. I got a glittery one of Russell Westbrook.
Oh, shoot. That's cool.
Cassius Winston. Oh, I got a
Hold on. Here.
I got a rookie one that's glittery
Who is
for the
it?
Warriors. James Wiseman. See,
Nice.
he's supposed to be pretty good. Zion Williamson.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
And then LeBron James.
Uh-oh. Throw that one away.
And this is Anthony Edwards.
That's it.
Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. And that was my pack opening. Hopefully we can find more and maybe do another one. See you guys next time.